What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm Crazy Crypto Cliff, aka Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know y'all rocking with the kid. All right. Look, guys, let me know how y'all did in the market today. All right, man. I told y'all this week it was going to be very volatile. Okay, you're going to see some big swings up, some big swings down. Okay. All right. So when we look at the S&P 500, guys, we can see that the S&P 500 barely moved at all today. Okay, so we got nothing to panic about or anything like that. Not that we ever panic over anyway, because we're always prepared. Okay, so when we look at our plays from yesterday, guys, let's take a look at Walmart. Okay, so let's see. All right, so when we look at Walmart, it closed the day at 106. Okay, so remember I told you guys, if there's any kind of pullback, it's probably going to pull back to like 106 to 105. Okay, so it didn't go to 105, it just went down, it came back to 106, so we're good. All right, this is still going to 115. Okay, guys, so that's still our target on Walmart. I have the options placed for you guys over in the members area. Okay, so if you're not a member yet, over at crazycryptocliff.com, go ahead and go over there, sign up, become a member, so you can have access to all the plays, the training material, and all that stuff. All right, but anyway, guys, and then other stock, let's look at Alphabet. Okay, because Alphabet stock took a little bit of a dip today. Okay, and we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna tell you why that happened. Okay, so when we look at Alphabet, it dipped back to 250. Okay, so we're good. Okay, remember I said as long as it doesn't go below 250 and start falling in that range. Okay, so we're going to pay attention to tomorrow for all of our stocks as well to see how everything plays out, since the market didn't really move today. Okay, so we got Google at 250. Where did I say this was going? Okay, I said this is going to 261. So we're still on track with that, depending on how we do tomorrow. Okay, so if you're not in on this play, don't just hop in on tomorrow. We want to make sure it maintains above the 250. Okay, so we're still on track with that. All right, so now, guys, this is the reason that Google took a hit today. Okay, so OpenAI, they came out and announced that they are going to be introducing a web browser to ChatGTP. Okay, so when this news broke today, the investors into Google, not me, I'm investing in Google, but I'm not worried about it. I'm invested long term, but some investors got worried that the competition is going to get stiffer for Google. So that's why Google took a little bit of a hit. Okay, but me, long term, I think Google's going to be fine. All right, now, guys, if you want to get some free stocks and earn 8.1% back on your uninvested cash, then you need to download the Moomoo Investing app, guys. I'll have the link down in the description for you guys. All right. If you want to learn how we're trading stock options, then go over to the website Crazy Crypto Cliff and become a member. Okay, guys. But that is all I have for you guys in this particular video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, guys, and let's get this money.